Hi, I'm Dr. Trevor. I'm a physical therapist and owner of Activated Movement Physical Therapy. I help active people to be able to find underlying causes of their pain, their injuries, and help them rehab so that they can get back to doing what they love. When you have an injury, lots of times it can feel like that's it. That's the end of you being able to do things in a certain way for the rest of your life. But the truth is that it doesn't have to be like that. The number one thing that I hear people say when they walk in through the door is, maybe I'm just old. And I've had people in their 20s tell me that, and I've had people in their 60s tell me that, and they all feel the same way. And yet all of us have the ability to heal and get better, provided that we address the true underlying issue. A lot of times you're stuck in a movement pattern, so if we can find that underlying pattern, retrain it a little bit, and then also work on just deep tissues that haven't been worked in a long time, you can get back to doing the things you love quickly and move on to being able to perform at a higher and higher level, even if you're not in your 20s anymore. I've set up Activated Movement to be very focused on spending time with people and finding underlying causes. I don't want to be the type of physical therapist that has to see a lot of people. I would rather spend a lot of focus time and get great results. And I've noticed over the years of doing this that it really makes a huge difference, that oftentimes we find that one underlying thing that just was missed even if you had seen another provider. And so that intention can make a huge difference. When you start here and find the right thing, it might only take a few weeks to get better, whereas before you might have worked 12 weeks and not gotten anything out of it just because things were missed. So if that's you, you've been in pain and you can't do the things that you love, your first step would be to hop on a complimentary phone call with me, where we would dig into your story and gain some better understanding of what's going on with you and start to come up with a plan for how you would get better.